Hey, in this video, we'll talk about why Instagram Reels are not getting views. Chances are you want to grow on a new platform. I mean, Instagram is old, but Instagram Reels seems to be an easier way, a lower barrier of entry within the algorithm compared to TikTok for a lot of creators. And there's a few reasons why your Instagram Reels might not be getting that many views. I just got 783 views within around 12 hours of posting this video on TikTok. It has 30k views, and I'll tell you a few things that you can do to get more views, and I think it will grow to at least 10k within the next month. But yeah, there's some things you can do to actually tweak your Instagram Reels video. So before we start, if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also comment down below, which country are you watching this video from? I'm curious to know. So what you want to do is actually go on Instagram and check whether or not your Instagram reel has a watermark, TikTok's watermark on the right side. So most creators that I know actually use and download their TikTok videos and add them directly to Instagram Reels, which is a mistake. And I'll tell you why and how to fix it. There's a few ways to fix it. So Instagram says its algorithm won't promote reels that have a TikTok watermark. This is an article by The Verge, but every tech company, a tech website, tech magazine talked about it a month ago. And basically, Instagram, obviously TikTok is a direct competitor. They don't want you to spend zero effort and just repurpose content from TikTok to Instagram Reels. They say we're building on what we've learned from Explore to recommend fun and entertaining videos in places like the Reels tab and personalize the experience. The issue is theme pages that just repost content. It's very easy to just download a bunch of TikTok videos. But I have a whole video on how to download TikTok videos without the watermark, but just use Snaptik app. It's a free app. Copy the link of the TikTok URL right here and download the video without the watermark. That's what I did for my video. I know it will perform well. Some of you guys might be wondering, are you TikTok shadow banned? I have a whole video on that, but you can just let me know your TikTok username down below and I can check. If this video helped you out, you can give me a like, because each like helps us out a lot, gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you are new. And I try to reply to every single comment, even though we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this per week. So comment down below if you have any questions. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.